Okay, I have a fun, quick routine for you here. Now recently I posted a video involving card flipping that used Bessie sequences, but we're not doing anything that sophisticated here. This one is accessible to anyone and everyone. Now for this you just need an even number of cards. The spectator can decide that. So why don't we go with maybe 16 cards. Let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's just kind of a good number to work with. Okay. Now openly flip over every other card. And it's okay if the spectator sees you doing this. That's not a problem. Flip over every other card just like this. There we go. Okay. And you can even show the spectator that that's what you've done, which is just fine. Every other card. Okay, and now what we're going to do is deal out the cards until the spectator says stop. Now it is actually good to get about half the cards to the table just for mixing the cards well. Okay, so you deal out any number dictated by the spectator. And now we're going to just spin the cards like this and then just bring them together. A big old... big old mess here. That is about as messy as can be. Okay, and then from here just deal out the cards into two piles just like this, and then we're going to go ahead and randomly stack these according to your request, right on left. And then as the performer you can perform a Charlie shuffle if you would like. I can add a link in the description below to that shuffle, or have the spectator just randomly cut the cards at any location and complete the cut. And now what we're going to do is deal out half the cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then ask the spectator to point to either pile, and we're going to flip that pile over. Okay, so it's a free choice. Want the right one? Okay, very good. And now tell the spectator that despite all of that chaos, of which they played a significant role, somehow the universe has worked through them to bring order to this chaotic situation. Because something very unlikely is going to happen. We're actually going to get perfectly matching card orientations as we go through both halves. Both down, both up, both down, both up, up, both down, and both down. Okay, so this will work as is. All of the choices I gave, the statements I made in this video are true. There's no fibbing at all. And then in the description below, I'll go through step by step and explain mathematically what's going on and why it works. Okay, so have fun with this. It really is quite mind-blowing given the essential choices that the spectator is making throughout the routine. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.